Okay, so I did an experiment last night, which is where you mix Sprite with gummy bears. And this is how they turned out. They became bigger, and bouncier and very fragile. While we have these ones, which are smaller, stickier, and not very fragile. I wonder how does that happen? Do you know, Mom?
Yeah, I think I do have an idea. I think it's through a process called osmosis. Have you heard of it?
No.
Well, this is a process where water moves, water molecules move from a place where it's highly concentrated to where it's low. For example, the Sprite has water.
Yeah.
Right?
I see that on the ingredients list.
It does have water, but the gummy bears, there's no water there right now, right?
Yeah.
So what happens is gelatin, which is part of what is makes the gummy bears, when you mix them in right there,
this is how I did it.
That's how you do it. So where is the water the most?
Most of the water is in the gummy bears. Well, no, it's outside the gummy bears because the gummy bears don't take up that much water.
Okay, so the water is in the Sprite. So those molecules, they move from high concentration in the Sprite into the low concentration
gummy
bear. So then what's the effect of that? They swell up in size. They expand.
Expansion.
They expand. That's why you see over here we have them. They are bigger than the regular gummy bears without the water.
It's basically almost twice the size of it when you line them up.
Because of the gelatin in it draws in the water molecules into itself.
Yeah.
And causes it to expand. So now, when you think of that, what do you think happens when it goes into the stomach? Think of it.
It will dissolve.
It will dissolve?
Because of the acids in our stomach.
There's acids in our stomach.
Yeah.
And also you will have chewed it up, hopefully.
Yeah.
Are you ever able to chew the gummy bear all the way?
Yeah.
You are? Oh wow, that's good for you. Okay. So that is an easy explanation of the process of
osmosis,
where water molecules move from an area of
high concentration to low concentration.
All right, thank you. How long did you have to keep the gummy bears in the Sprite?
So I put them in at around 9 o'clock. So yeah, just don't put them in the freezer because that one, last time I did that, it ruined them. So I had to put another batch in the fridge and it worked. So
okay,
but basically 8 hours. Around 8 hours is how long it was in the fridge.
Okay, so just to think through this, why would it not work well when you freeze it as opposed to when you...
Because if you freeze it, the water won't be able to move because it's frozen. So then even when you melt it, it'll still be frozen and it won't be bigger. It'll still be the same thing.
So you will find that the water molecules did not move.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Alrighty, thank you.